students, myself Mrs. Padma Patil from Chavra Public School. In this session, we will learn how to solve the linear equations from chapter 1, exercise 2.4. Here is the question. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 upon 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Read the question thoroughly. Here is the data given. What is the data? Try to understand. Amina thinks of a number. A girl thinks of a number and subtracts 5 upon 2 from the number what she has thought. Then she multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number what she has thought. What is the number? The unknown number, let it be assumed as x. Let the number be x. Assume the required number as x. X is a variable here. Let the number be x. Amina thinks of a number. Let the number be x. What she has thought is x. To this x, she subtracts 5 upon 2 from this x. The second statement says she subtracts 5 upon 2 from x. That is, from x she subtracts 5 upon 2. Okay. The next statement says she multiplies the result by 8. She multiplies the result by 8. Whatever the result after subtracting, that result is multiplied by x. Finally, the result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. Initially, she thought the number x. So, the final result is equal to 3 times. 3 times means 3 into the same number what she has thought. 3x. Here is the required equation we have got. Simplify the equation. Left hand side we have 8 into x minus 5 upon 2 equal to 3x. At right hand side we have 3x. 8 into x, multiply it. That implies 8 into x, 8x. Plus into minus, minus 8 into 5 upon 2. Do the rough work here. 8 into 5 upon 2 is, just you do the cancellation here. 4 5s is 20. 8 into 5 upon 2 is 20. Minus 20 is equal to right hand side 3x as it is. Transposing 3x to the left hand side and transposing minus 20 to the right hand side. Take this 3x to the left hand side, minus 20 take to the right hand side. So that implies 8x plus 3x, if you take to the left hand side it becomes minus 3x equal to minus 20 when transposed to RHS it is plus 20. Simplify here. 8x minus 3x is 5x equal to 20. Cross multiply x equal to 20 upon 5. Do the cancellation. 5 ones, you have 5 fours. Therefore, x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. The required number, we need x. X is assumed as the required number. Therefore, required number is x is equal to 4. You can verify it whether your required number, the solution whatever you got is right or not. Verification. Substitute x value in this equation. 8x minus 20 equal to 3x. 8 into 4. Take LHS here. 8 into 4 minus 20. 8 4s are 32 minus 20 is 12. What about RHS? 3x. 3 into 4, that is 12. From 1 and 2 we can say that the value which we got x is equal to 4 is right. Now next question is, let us read the question thoroughly. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? The given question, split it into statements, then relate to each other. The data should be related to each other. Let us see how. A positive number is 5 times the another number. A positive number is 5 times the another number. Here is the data related to two numbers. Let the one number be x. Let us assume a number x. Let the number is equal to x. Assume it. So the positive number. Now the another number, that is which is positive number. What about positive number? Positive number is equal to 5 times the another number. 5 times the another number. 5 times means 5 times. 5 into x. So these are the two numbers. One of the number is x. The other number is 5 times the previous number. Now next statement is given as, if 21 is added to both the numbers. If 21 is added to both the numbers, now add 21 to both the numbers. Both the numbers. That implies x plus 20 plus 21 and 5x plus 21. 21 has to be added to both the numbers. These are the now new numbers. These are the new numbers. So what is the relation between this number and this? It is given. Then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. Here you should be carefully note that which number is twice the other number. Certainly the larger number. Here it is 5x plus 21. X plus 21. Certainly 5x plus 21 will be the larger number. So according to the question, data given in the question, 5x plus 21 is equal to, one of the number is twice the another number. Twice the another number is x plus 21. 2 into twice the. Simplify here. This is the equation. This is the linear equation. That implies 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 into x is 2x. 2 into 21 is 42. That implies 5x transpose 2x to the left hand side. that becomes minus 2x equal to 42 as it is, plus 21 transposed to the right hand side, that it becomes minus 21. Simplify here, that implies 5x minus 2x is 3x is equal to 42 minus 21 is 21. Here you can transpose 3 to the right hand side. 3 is multiplying here. If you take to the right hand side, it will divide. X is equal to 21 upon 3. Do the cancellation, 3 1 and it is 7. So x is equal to 7. This is only the x value. But the question is asked, what are the numbers? What are the original numbers? Let us continue the solution here. First number is x. Required numbers x is equal to 7. One of the number is 7. What about the another number? 5x. That is 5 into x. 5 into x, that is 5 7 is 35. These are the required numbers.